Hi, welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will learn about how to identify which payment method to use. Pricing methods. We have different pricing methods which is used in various kinds of business. First is base price and additional price for all options. So this is used by print shops, SME printers, and for standard pricing. Next, we have base price and additional options combined pricing. So this is used by print brokers, resellers, marketing agencies, and who get wholesale price from vendors. Then we have product options master or master options pricing. This is used by commercial printers, wholesale printer, and who wants to create accurate pricing, calculating minimum wastage or MIS. Flexible pricing method for all print products. Here are some examples of price defining methods used in different products. So first we have fixed quantity pricing method. So this is used in business cards, flyers, brochures, letterheads. Then we have range based with multiplication method or linear price calculation. So this is used in copies, greeting cards, posters, gifts, invitations. Then we have custom size pricing method. This is used in white format labels, stickers. Then we have size wise pricing method. So this is used in apparel, t-shirt and shirts. Then we have page and quantity wise pricing methods. So this is widely used in business cards, flyer, brochures and letterheads. The last we have sheet based pricing. So this we use mostly in calculating the total sheets required for printing. I hope this video is helpful for you to establish the correct price defining method for your products. Thank you for watching this video. In case of any further concern, feel free to connect with us.